So, Toastmasters, I think you will all agree that we have had a fabulous year. We have had a fabulous previous year. We are now an incredibly strong club. We have such fun coming here. And I now would like to call upon Bianca to say something.
Stuck the word, stuck the word.
Not a lot, I say. Very small. Somebody might have to carry that over the box.
Take the money.
Take the money.
Then I would say it's not me, it's you that have made this club. It's your enthusiasm, your involvement, your commitment. You brought this club together. When 2 years ago I was in the position that Tom is in now, I hadn't got a clue about running an organisation like this. I made it up as I went along, working with the President's Manual, which Tom has known about really over the last couple of weeks. And I found that there is a lot of very useful information in the Toastmasters system. Those of you who are not aware, you guests, who are not aware of what the system is like today. It's a very structured organisation which has evolved over the last 86 years, which has enabled a huge number of people develop themselves, improve their self-confidence, improve self-esteem, gain value in the ability to speak to an audience, to take all the value out of the things that we do here, whether it's evaluation or whether it's just giving some feedback. It makes us think, and it changes the way that we behave. Our timekeeper is limiting us to a certain amount of time every time we get up here and speak. But we consider also the timekeeping of just getting here. We consider the timekeeping of planning ahead so that we book our diaries, so that we know that we're going to be here week after week if we can. We plan, some of us, months ahead. And as Jonathan says, that's to your benefit. We have a system to do it. And all of you have gained from that. And in doing so, you have made the club so much more inclusive. So many Toastmasters clubs that I visit, people turn up, they do their thing, and they go away. This is a club where sociability has enveloped us all. We're members of a club, not we don't just turn up and do something. You have to advance this club in the last year. And this year, through his dedication, through the time that he has put in, through the effort, through the cajoling, through the incessant, sometimes mostly patient with members, I commend to you our Vice President of Education who is leading today, Jonathan Muller.